When VisionBlazer starts up, you'll be presented with this menu, the main menu. Let's click on the Shapes menu to begin to see some of the basic drawing tools and modeling tools. Let's begin by creating a cube. Select Cube, and just look out in space and tap or push the button on your pen. Now you'll be able to move the cube looking at the various handles. Red will move it horizontally, green will move it up and down, and blue will move it back and forth. We can also change the color of the cube. Other transformation tools include scaling the object. So we can choose Scale, clicking on the red scale handle, it will scale it horizontally. Clicking on the blue will scale it in the Z dimension, and the green will scale it in the Y dimension. Let's undo those. And now let's click Proportional. Now scaling will scale it in all dimensions proportionally. The other transformation tool is the rotation tool. The blue circle will rotate it in this dimension. Red will rotate it in this dimension. And green will rotate it as such. When we go to move it, it will move along its new coordinate system, so it's moving now in a diagonal. But if you wanted to move according to global dimensions, you click the global button, and now green will take it up and down, blue forward and back, red across the Y dimension. All right, let's add a little material to this. Click the material. Now let's click on plastics. Let's click on car paint, make it blue. We can change the color just by, let's say, going to the grid here. Let's choose a purple, click OK, and we have nice purple car paint on the object. Let's make some more objects. Let's create a sphere and put it a little bit further out. We'll just move it further back. And let's click on a cone, put it further back also. Oh, that's the size, sorry. Let's change the distance, put it further back, and we'll change the color of that. Move the menu out of the way, and let's create a torus, kind of like a donut shape. We'll make it orange, and click it, and put it way out in the further distance. All right, now we have these four objects. We can move around the scene by using the virtual joysticks, which are right there in front of you on your lap. We have controls here to move forward, left, and right, back, rotate, up and down, and so on. So these are going to control the camera right now. So if I just go forward, the camera will go forward. And if I go to the left, camera will go to the left, to the right. I can move it back. And if I want to get back home, I just click the home button, and it puts the camera back to its original position. I can also navigate according to my gaze. So let's say I gaze right to the center of the torus, and as I look, the camera, will take me right to the center of the torus. Let's say I want to now rotate around the camera, so I just click the rotate joystick, and now I can go back. I can gaze now. Let's say I go through the torus and back to the top of the cube just by looking at it. Let's go back home. Let's say I want to rotate around an object. Well, let's choose the cone, choose to rotate around an object, and simply use the rotate button. Now rotate the joystick. Now we're rotating around that particular item. And, you can go slowly, as slow as you want, or you can speed up just by moving your hand a little further away. You can also control the movement of an object Let's just go home. We'll choose the cube again. And if we want to control its motion through the joystick, we click Object here. And now we can move the object using the joystick. Move it back and forth. Bring it closer. Take it further back. Move it up. Here, move it down. All through the use of the joystick. We can also rotate it in various dimensions. Rotate it. Well, let's go this way. Rotate it that way and this way. Just by using the joystick. And we can also scale it using the joysticks. Scale it one way. And so on. Oop, here we go. Okay, I'm going to supply some material. Let's apply metal to that. Let's put a little gold on that. And on the sphere, let's put on something like polished metal. I mean, marble. Okay, so that's some of the basic commands. Now we'll look at other ways of drawing in VisionBlazer in the next video.